This trifold 3-inch memory foam mattress that I got, it's been flying off the shelves. Let me show you my favorite features about it. Why is everyone buying this trifold memory foam mattress? Well, before I show you why, I'm going to tell you why. Because it's selling over 1,000 a month right now, and people are leaving. At the time of this, there's over 600 4.5 to 5-star written reviews. People are absolutely loving this thing. That's how I made my buying decision. I hate buying things and I have to return them. This thing is really nice. Look at this. Boom. Now it's a mattress. I mean, that's how easy this thing is to use. Super lightweight. This is only 3 inches and I don't feel the floor at all. So even if you're just getting the 3-inch one, dude, this thing's just super comfy. If you just need extra, extra possibles, like maybe people are coming over, the guests might come over, the family might come over, and you just need enough places for people to sleep, or you just need some portable solutions. This is great because what you can also do here is you can just use it as like a mat to just sit on. I mean, super comfortable when you consider that trifold and you're sitting on all 3 of them. So this is also good just as a mattress topper, but I like it as versatile, whether you're camping, needing it just on the floor for people coming and visiting. If you got it in an RV or if you want it as a mattress topper, you've got it for all of these things. Thousands of people are buying it. Hundreds of people have reviewed it positively. If you don't get this, I think you're just going to waste your time looking and looking and looking. Pull the trigger, dude.